If you are looking for Ozempic weight loss in Miami, click the link in the description below for a free online consultation with a doctor today. No calorie counting. No carb restriction. Get Miami ready with Ozempic, the weight loss secret of celebrities and elites. Ozempic, the miracle drug for weight loss in Miami, Florida. Are you ready to shed those extra pounds and flaunt your beach-ready body in Miami? Look no further than Ozempic, the miracle drug for weight loss that is taking the city by storm. With its powerful ingredients and proven track record, Ozempic is the go-to choice for celebrities and elites looking to stay in shape. Unlike other weight loss solutions, Ozempic targets the root cause of obesity, insulin resistance. By improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar levels, this wonder drug helps you lose weight and keep it off for good. If you're tired of fad diets and ineffective weight loss programs, give Ozempic a try and see the difference for yourself. Ozempic, the key to sustainable weight loss in Miami, Florida. Let's face it, losing weight is hard, and keeping it off is even harder. But with Ozempic, sustainable weight loss is within your reach. This powerful drug not only helps you shed those extra pounds but also keeps them off by regulating your appetite and reducing cravings. With Ozempic, you can say goodbye to yo-yo dieting and hello to a healthier, happier you. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or make a significant lifestyle change, Ozempic is the key to sustainable weight loss in Miami, Florida. So why wait? Start your journey to a healthier you with Ozempic today and never look back. Ozempic, the secret weapon of Miami celebrities. When it comes to staying in shape in Miami, celebrities spare no expense. And when it comes to weight loss, their secret weapon is Ozempic. From A-list actors to top models, Ozempic is the go-to choice for those who demand the best. So, if you want to look like a celebrity and feel like $1 million, give Ozempic a try. With its powerful ingredients and proven results, you won't be disappointed. Join the ranks of Miami's elite with Ozempic and discover the secret to lasting weight loss. Ozempic, the fastest way to lose weight in Miami, Florida. Are you tired of slow, frustrating weight loss programs? Look no further than Ozempic, the fastest way to lose weight in Miami, Florida. With its powerful blend of ingredients and cutting-edge technology, Ozempic delivers rapid results that you can see and feel. So, if you want to lose weight fast and look your best in Miami, give Ozempic a try. You won't be disappointed with the results. With Ozempic, you can reach your weight loss goals and achieve the body of your dreams in no time. Ozempic, the safe and effective weight loss solution in Miami, Florida. When it comes to weight loss, safety should be your top priority. And with Ozempic, you can rest easy knowing that you're using a safe and effective weight loss solution. Unlike other weight loss drugs that come with a laundry list of side effects, Ozempic is designed to be gentle on your body while still delivering powerful results. So, if you want to lose weight without compromising your health, give Ozempic a try. Your body will thank you for it. Ozempic, the affordable weight loss solution in Miami, Florida. Weight loss programs can be expensive, and not everyone can afford to spend thousands of dollars on a diet plan. But with Ozempic, you don't have to break the bank to lose weight. With its affordable pricing and proven results, Ozempic is the go-to choice for budget-conscious Miami residents looking to shed those extra pounds. So, if you want to lose weight without breaking the bank, give Ozempic a try. Your wallet and your waistline will thank you for it. Ozempic, the ultimate weight loss solution for Miami residents. Whether you're a celebrity or an average Joe, Ozempic is the ultimate weight loss solution for Miami residents. With its powerful ingredients, fast results, and affordable pricing, Ozempic is the go-to choice for anyone looking to shed those extra pounds and look their best. So why wait? Start your weight loss journey today with Ozempic and discover the ultimate solution to weight loss in Miami, Florida.